2018 winter blast. What's up, everybody? I hope you're staying warm, because it is freezing out here. What's up, guys? I'm at a neighbor's house trying to help him out with the clogged drain. And, well, a few blocks away. Just say that. Let me get this snake. I got an old snake. Out of their shed, so let's see if this thing will even works. Kind of dirty and everything, but see if it works. Okay, so there's the old dirty snake right there. Where'd it go? Ugh. Okay, guys, I got gloves on. Let me get it in the hole. Alright, guys, got the clog. Took me a while to figure out what was wrong and how to resolve it. The snake didn't work, but yeah, that brown you see there is paint. Somebody had painted this before, and it just stayed there. So I might be installing a new shower for my neighbor. I'm not sure. But let's go outside, see what happens. What's up, guys? I got the water down. There was some kind of problem. The snake wouldn't work. I modified something right there to get in there. That wouldn't work. Basically, it was a clogged pipe with ice. Nothing would work. Let's go outside. I'll show you what I did. You know, I went through 2 jugs of Drano. I ended up having to scoop all the water back out, flush it down the toilet, and had a little access area right here. It's very spooky under there, guys. We might see some weird stuff, some ghosts or spirits under here, but I don't know. This is crazy. Let's go take a look, guys. Basically, I taped this portable heater. Kind of see right there. It's a Sunbeam or some. It's a little tiny square heater. Taped it onto this stick, and you know, was able to. I had to insulate the hole. There's a board that goes here, and I stuck the plastic in there. Let me turn this off if I can. We got it. Oh man, it's all stuff I had to bring out. There's no light under there. So let me get in here. Not in. So basically, you see that icicle right there, guys? There's another icicle. I had to redo a little repair on a faucet drain that leads into that one with the elbow there. And come springtime, when it warms up, I'm gonna put a new floor in their bathroom, basically, and possibly move the shower down further so it's not close to the door here. Oh man, it's really hard for me to get in here, guys. So I was able to get the heater right there to the bottom of that U-pipe coming down there, and that little section going up and in, and got that defrost. The water in the tub went down. It was my surprise when I went in there, and you know, there's a lot of insulation that has fallen down, so it's gonna be a job, you know, that I might do. I don't know, take you out of Zoom now. So yeah, it's just, wow. Well, I also might have to change this bib up here and that bib up there. I don't even know what's back there. I have to change some heat tape as well. But yeah, you can see it's impossible for me to get under here. You know, it's very close to the ground. I'd probably have to dig a tunnel to get up under here. And that's maybe the other side. I don't know, man. I gotta clean up under here, get some of this stuff out of here. But anyway, guys, that's what it was. That U right there was frozen. Solid, I think. So I left this on here for a few hours. Very close to the pipe. And I'm not surprised when I went in. Got in there and it was... all the stuff had drained out of the shower unit itself there. So that's pretty cool. That little pipe, like I said, I fixed that on the top. Wow. A lot of spiders under here, guys. But anyway, that was the problem, guys. Thanks for watching.